In today's video, I'll be showing you this amazing hair growth butter that's going to help you to stimulate your hair growth. If this is what you're interested in, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. If you're suffering from hair loss, thin edges, your hair, you want to grow a thicker hair just like my hair that is growing thick, please watch the video up to the end so that you don't miss out on any vital information I'll be sharing. So guys, let's get started. The first ingredient we'll be using is neem powder, alright, and the next ingredient we'll be using is this green tea and mint leaf. So it's a mixture of green tea and mint leaf, and the next ingredient we'll be using is rosemary. So this is the rosemary I'll be using for today's recipe, but if you have the fresh one, you can use that one works as well. Okay, so this is the dry one I'll be using, and as time goes on, I will be telling you guys all the benefits of this ingredient I'm using in today's hair growth butter. All right, then the next one I'm going to be using is this moringa powder, is the blended one. Okay, so this is a moringa powder, and I'm going to be adding avocado, not this half, I'm going to be using quarter avocado. And the next thing I'm going to add is basil leaf, or is it basil leaf? Basil leaf, that's the leaf I'll be using. So for our oil choice, I'm using coconut oil, I'm using Jamaica black castor oil. Okay, this is the extra dark. I'm going to be using virgin this olive oil. I'll be using almond oil as well, and I'll be using some essential oil like this argan oil. I'll be using tea tree oil like this tea tree oil. Yes, I'll be using this one. Okay, so I'll also be using lavender as well. So, and the last oil I'll be using is jojoba oil. Yeah, these are the oil choices we'll be using for today's recipe. So the first thing I'm going to do is to remove the basil leaf from the stem. This is the fresh one. Okay, so it's some places are a little bit black because of it dried in the fridge, and I've washed it. Please wash it to remove sand and the rest. So this is what it has. I'm going to be blending the basil with the avocado, and I'll also be blending my rosemary. So these ones are, we need everything to be in a blended form. So if you've watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's important to subscribe, like the video please guys, and share, and let me know if you're going to be trying this. This is going to make your hair thicker, fuller, and stronger and healthier. So I'll be using a teaspoon for each of my recipe, so you can adjust to your preference if you want more or if you want less. So I use a teaspoon for mine. I'll be blending this. Then as I blend, it was not blending well, so I decided to add my oils to smoothen everything. So I added my almond oil. I use a teaspoon for both the oil and both my spices as well. So the oil, I use a teaspoon. I use 3 teaspoons of coconut oil, 3 teaspoons of almond oil, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, because olive oil is thick. Then the Jamaica black castor oil, I use 1 teaspoon as well. All right, then the next oil, any other oil I use, I'll just pour it inside. Yes, so guys, this is what it looks like. Then for this, my tea tree, I poured everything because I was running out, so there was no need of measuring them. My essential oil, I was running out on all, so I just decided to pour all of them inside. But if you want to measure it, you can use half teaspoon or half tablespoon, anyone. Yeah, so I'm going to be adding everything inside this recipe. I hope you enjoyed the video. So I mix everything together, mix. Make sure you mix all of them together before you blend. So the mistake I made was using this dry mill to blend. I was supposed to use my big blender to blend it, but anyway, I still achieve what I wanted. So I'm done blending. I'm transferring it into a plate to add the rest of my dry ingredients before we move to the stove. Yes, I'm moving this to the stove. We're not going to be doing a double boiler method in this. Why? Because you know the leaf has going to have a little bit of water, and again the avocado, okay, I need that one to dry, like to bring out the oil. So I'm just going to be adding 1 tablespoon of the rest of my ingredients as well. So besties, thank you so much for watching. If you watched to this extent, you are the best. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video. If you are new to the channel, hi, my name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients that's going to help you to promote your hair growth. So let's talk about the benefit of all these ingredients I'm using, all the herbal ingredients I'm using. So for basil, okay, basil helps to stimulate blood flow to your scalp and help to improve hair growth. Okay, so basil is very effective for hair loss and it encourages hair growth. Okay, it nourishes your scalp, okay, because it has vitamin A and vitamin C. It has iron, calcium, which helps to promote hair growth. So I just transfer it in a pan. All right, I transfer it in a pan on a very low heat, guys, like very low heat. We don't want this ingredient to burn, okay, fast. We want it to slowly cook. So I cook this on a very low heat for like 5 to 10 minutes. Very low heat, guys, very low, and you keep on stirring consistently so that your ingredients don't burn. Yeah, love. So this is what I am doing, and we're moving to the next benefit. Rosemary promotes hair growth, okay, it prevents hair loss, okay, by improving the blood circulation to your scalp and protecting your hair follicles. So every ingredient I use is all about hair growth, it's all about preventing hair loss, it's all about strengthening your hair, okay, it's all about giving you a stronger, healthier hair. Okay, so you keep on stirring this, guys, like you need to stay close to your butter or to your ingredients. Yes, so after it's ready, you have to allow it to cool before you strain. So this is the process of me owning the oil. All right, neem powder helps in hair growth. It stops alopecia, like gradually stop alopecia. By constant use of all these ingredients, you're gonna get a thicker, softer hair. Thicker hair you want, try these ingredients. All right, so I'm going to be squeezing out the oil because it's the oil we are going to use to add to our shea butter to make an amazing hair growth butter. Okay, this butter is really amazing. You need to give this a try, love. So I'm just going to be squeezing this, like really squeeze it out. Like it was a little bit hot, but it's fine. I even say for my besties, yes. So I had to squeeze out a lot of it. Then after that, this is the oil. Like the oil is so shiny. So this is the oil I had, and I'll be moving in with my butter. Yeah, this is the shea butter I have. I bought like 2 shea butter. All right, so I'm going to be adding this into my hair growth oil to make an amazing hair growth butter. With every ingredient I added into this, your butter is going to help you to promote your hair very well. Like this is so good. Okay, it is so good. So you just have to transfer it in the, like we are going to be doing a double boiler method, okay, to melt the butter and the oils together. And after it's been melted, I'm going to allow this to cool down before we whisk it together. this is ready, and I'm going to allow this to cool in the freezer. Okay, so I use my cling film to cover it so that water don't enter inside the butter. So this is what we have. I'm going to start by using my mixer to mix everything together to be in a very fluffy and creamy form. All right, this butter is really creamy. You need to give it a try. Your hair is it's going to melt right into your hair. Okay, it's going to seal in all your hair. If your hair is dry, use this butter, your hair will be more softer. If you're suffering from like your hair is not growing, try using this butter, your hair will grow. If you want a thicker hair, use this butter. So love, if you know that your hair don't really absorb butter, this butter is really good. Okay, it's going when you use this to seal in your braids or your natural hair, you will feel a sense of relief because your hair is not going to dry out after using this butter. So I've come to the end, almost to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry guys, I have a very bad cough, so if I talk for too long I start coughing like crazy. Yeah, so this is what the butter looks like, and I'll see you all in my next video. I'm just trying to transfer it into a container. Then for storage, I store this in the freezer. Okay, I did not add any preservative in it. Okay, so no preservative in it, and it's not going to get spoiled. Don't worry guys, it's not going to get spoiled. This is like my third time using this or fourth time using this kind of butter. Okay, and it's not spoiled. It will not have any foul smell. So if you're afraid of foul smell or spoil something, this butter is really good. So love, I'll see you all in my next one, and please subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye for now.